Hi guys, hope you're doing good. It's me Anas. Today I'll be discussing about giveaway that I announced some time ago, so let's start. So first of all, I would like to thank all of you for your support and love as we have completed our first milestone, that's 100 subscribers, and I hope you will keep supporting me and soon we will complete bigger milestones as well. So as I announced earlier that I'll be starting a small giveaway on 100 subscribers in which I'll design one post or logo for our lucky winner. So now it's time for that giveaway. So you can participate in this giveaway by just commenting on this video. You just have to go to the comment section of this video just like this and comment any suggestion that you want to give me so I can improve, and at the end of the comment use hashtag annasgraphics like this, and after 2 weeks I'll be choosing winner by random comment picker. Hope your comments and kind suggestions will help me to improve the quality of my videos and content, and again thanks a lot for your support. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.